Welcome back to North of the Broad. I am now with the owner here at Higher Ground, Tim Lovett.
Hey,
Thanks
Betsy.
for being back, as always.
Yes, thank you.
Yeah, so you just had a big anniversary.
We did.
Yeah.
We've actually made it a whole year here on Ladies Island at the new location. It's been great. We've had a good holiday season, finished up December with a bang, and now here we are in January.
Already.
Yeah, already.
Already 2019.
Time is
How do we do
flying.
that?
I don't know.
I don't know either.
Needs to slow down.
Yeah. So you mentioned you had a great Christmas, great holiday season, but as we kind of get to January, sometimes that's inventory season.
Oh, yeah.
So I know lots of people like to sell it rather than count it.
Absolutely,
So we are
yes.
having a big sale here.
We have some of our best deals of the year going right now. So
Yeah.
if you didn't get what you wanted for Christmas, or if Santa missed your outdoor wishes, come in and see us. We've got a lot of great deals throughout the store, clothing, footwear, as well as some 2018 Hobie kayaks, some demo models that are slightly used that will make somebody really happy.
Yeah, they would make somebody very happy, very, very happy indeed. And how long will that sale be going on?
We're going to run it through probably mid-February.
Okay. And so it's a little cool today,
Mm-hmm.
but as we know here,
Oh yeah.
it can warm up in a second, and we always have some great weather in January and February.
And yes.
Yes, and so that's a great time to get out and paddleboard.
Yeah, we want to let everybody know we have rentals and tours available year-round. So
Okay.
when that beautiful sunny 70, 75 degree day pops up and you're like, what should I do today? You should come over to Higher Ground and come paddle with
Yeah,
us.
and when it's a
Yes.
record high, we need to take advantage
Yes.
of it and come
So-
paddleboarding.
So nice. This is the best time of the year, really, I
Yeah.
think, to get out on the water. So,
Yeah, unless you fall in.
Well, yeah, we don't recommend swimming, but you know.
Right. You never know,
You
you
never
know.
know, yeah.
So, and we're also kind of gearing up to maybe start training for an event that's coming up. Tell us
Yes,
about
I'm sure
that.
there's all kinds of good stuff coming up this spring, but we have coming up on March the
March, will you want to use my cheat
9th,
sheet? March
yes.
the 9th, yes.
I thought I was right. I just didn't want to be wrong there. March the 9th is the Hunting Island Adventure Biathlon, which is an annual event. We kind of co-sponsor with the Sea Island Rotary Club. It's awesome. It's a 6-mile paddle, 4.5-mile trail run out at Hunting Island.
Okay.
So you can do kayak or stand-up paddleboard. You can do it as an individual. You can do it as a team. So if you're like, I don't want to do the whole thing, you can find someone to paddle and do the paddle part, and another person can do the run part.
Or if you're me, I'd rather paddle and somebody else can do the running.
Exactly,
Yeah.
yeah. So we can help pair people up for that, which is a great event. It's a lot of fun. All the proceeds go to the local Sea Island Rotary Club here, which distributes to local charities. So it's kind of a win-win for everybody.
Absolutely.
And it gives you an excuse to start getting in shape for
For the spring.
the springtime,
Yeah.
for sure.
And how does somebody sign up for that if they were interested in that?
So there is a website, huntingislandbiathlon.com, that has a link to the registration. We will have registration forms here at Higher Ground, and I believe Grounded Running as well. It's
Okay.
going to be a race headquarters.
Okay.
Then they'll help get the runners together, we'll get the paddlers together, and make some
magic happen.
magic happen.
Yeah.
Have a
So
lot
what
of
are we excited for coming into the store for the spring?
Oh, springtime, all new merchandise. So we'll have swimwear, we'll have lots of technical sun protection, quick dry clothing for when the heat arrives, which we all know is coming.
Right.
We'll have some new kayaks, new paddle boards.
And what makes them new? Like what can you change about a paddleboard every year?
So the paddle boards a lot of times will be graphics. So a lot of times we'll switch brands. I just got back from Surf Expo and looked at some of the new products that are coming out for the year, and you know, I kind of try to pick and choose and keep things exciting, stay with the latest and greatest in technology. The kayak companies are always innovating and making changes to existing models or making new models and improvements.
And so what would be one of those improvements? Just
So
for an
the
example.
improvements in, like, for example, the Hobie fishing kayaks, which are real popular, the Hobie Outback. This year we just got the new 2019 models in. It has been one of their best sellers for years, but they set their engineers to work and they actually made it better. They improved the storage capacity, they improved the performance, they improved the seat. So the people that know that boat will go, oh yeah. The best is now even better.
Right, I
So,
got to come see the
yeah.
new one. And the seat is all important, right? If you're going to be out there fishing for a while.
I tell people all the time, the seat quickly becomes the most important part of the boat, because if you get out there and that's not working for you, it's not a whole lot of
It's
fun.
not going to be a great
on the
afternoon.
water. Yeah, exactly.
Well, thank you as always for being with us, Tim, and thank you for letting us use your gorgeous store.
Yeah.
Yeah, and we'll see you next time on North of the Broad.